Cruise by Mandy here in the port of St. Thomas. As you can see here, we are about to push off. The lines haven't been released yet, so we're not actually. But if you see out here, I believe Captain Kate is currently captain of the Equinox still on Celebrity that had been anchored here in the bay. Here is the Carnival Glory. I have a lot of people going on the Carnival Glory out of New Orleans, especially this upcoming summer. We're leaving right there from downtown, same place where the Norwegian Breakaway and Norwegian Getaway will be leaving from this year and next year. But Carnival Glory is docked here in St. Thomas. So I know I've got many cabins on that, some honeymooners, some 80th birthday cabins, some friends, so lots of options. But this particular Carnival Glory did not come from New Orleans because obviously geographically it is too far to go from Galveston or New Orleans all the way to St. Thomas in a 7-night round trip. We are waiting on